Alright, let's cut up these eggs. Back again for part 3. Thank y'all for sticking with me. Turn that off. Turn off that barking. There's my son's toy in the background. So the eggs, this is what we do. No, don't touch. Don't touch the camera. We see you. The bobo is okay. The camera's okay, Bubba. Daddy's filming a cooking video, so we can watch it later on YouTube. Hopefully. Okay, folks. We already took a picture. We'll take one later. I promise, okay? Alright, we're going to wash this off. Clean up our mess. Pieces of egg everywhere. Like, oh. Alright, now for this part, we're going to mix this up. Simpsons are like super dysfunctional family. Okay. That's for the first half. Alright, now we're gonna add the piece of resistance. It says on Goya. When we add this, you're gonna make sure you don't matter how you distribute this. Alright, now we're gonna just mix it up. We're just gonna mix it throughout. It's a lot of stuff to mix. This is like a full bowl of like stuff to eat. But fire rice is important to mix up. This is a lot of rice, but fact remains, I am going to eat all this. This is a bowl full of like fire rice. Okay. Good. I see your king. This is good. A little spicy, but that's how fire rice is. And that's it. That is how you make fire rice to taste. It's pretty good. It's spicy, but refined. If I would have used a different type of hot sauce, it would have been really hot. That's my phone again. I love you guys. Stay easy.